What's up, creators? Welcome back to HitPaw channel. If you've been here before, you already know the struggle. You take a photo, it looks fine at first, but then you zoom in and boom! Blurry, pixelated, low quality. Super annoying, right? Well, not anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upscale and enhance your images with AI instantly and completely online. No downloads, no complicated setup. Let me introduce you to HitPaw Online Photo Enhancer. Think of it as an all-in-one AI image quality booster. It can upscale, sharpen, remove noise, fix blur, even restore old photos. And yeah, it can take your images all the way up to 8K with just one click. Here's how easy it is. Step 1. Upload your image. JPG, PNG, WebP, all good. Step 2. Let the AI do its thing. You can also switch between different AI models depending on the result you want. Step 3. Preview the enhanced image in real time, then download the high-res version instantly. That's it. No Photoshop, no editing skills, no waiting around. And it works on pretty much anything. Portraits, selfies, group shots, landscapes, even old or damaged photos. Blurry travel shot? Fixed. Pixelated image? Upscaled. Old memories? Brought back to life. Everything comes out cleaner, sharper, and way more detailed. So if low-quality images have been holding you back, this is easily one of the simplest AI tools you can try right now. Give it a shot. You'll notice the difference right away. All right, that's it for today. Go try it out and start upgrading your photos like a pro.